How are you? I know you are all very excited to know what we are going to make today. I am Gracia ma'am and I will be teaching you origami today. Origami is a Japanese art which is famous worldwide. Do you know what we are going to make today? We are going to make this beautiful origami elephant. Shall we start? To make this origami elephant, we require the following material: a square shaped color paper, few sketch pens, eraser, pencil and scissors. To start with, fold the square paper diagonally. Crease it well. Now bring both the sides to the middle line. Do it neatly, otherwise we will not get the trunk sharp. It will be a little difficult at the corners. Do it carefully. Have you all completed? Shall we move on to the next step? Now take this corner and fold it till the point I have folded. Crease it well. Now we fold this into half. Do the next steps very carefully and slowly. Take this flap and fold it to this edge. Crease it very well. Do the same thing on the other side. Now open this flap and hold it the way I am holding it. Open it and then you will find a sharp paper there. Pull it out. Crease it well. Fold it to the line. Fold it in the opposite direction also, because we want a mark there. Now insert your finger and push the paper inside. Open that flap and fold it to that middle line. This will be the trunk. Close it. Fold it like how we usually fold the beak of the origami bird, and twist the tip of the trunk. And that is the trunk and the head. Now moving back to the body, fold a right angle triangle there, open it and push it inside completely. Now from that piece that we pushed inside, fold another right angle triangle and push it out to make a tiny tail. That is it. We have done with the folding. Now take a pencil and mark 2 points as I have marked. We must make a diagonal line. Draw as I have done, and using a scissors, cut this out. Wow, we have completed the elephant. And those are the legs. And now it is coloring time. Get ready with your color pencils. Shall we start coloring? Now, think of a nice design to decorate the elephant. This is the simple design that I have decided to draw. I am using a sketch pen. To draw a traditionally decorated elephant like that we see in Kerala during Onam. Do you remember seeing an elephant decorated like this? Or have you seen any other decorated elephant in any of the traditional pictures? Draw your own designs and decorate it. Don't forget to draw the eyes. Draw the nails too. Decorate the elephant further. With more minute details. Draw the nails on both the sides. Repeat the same designs again. Don't leave it incomplete. You draw the eyes again. You can draw the tusk also. I think this elephant will remind some of you about the elephant ride you have experienced. Maybe in a zoo park or elsewhere. That is it. We have completed the elephant. You can make it stand. making this elephant. Now make 3 elephants of 3 different sizes. Stick it in your drawing copy. Make a beautiful background and color the picture. Meet you in the next class. Bye bye.